Hello, my name is Ana Paula Garcia Diaz, and this is my homework 14 for Effective Presentations Workshop. So the topic I chose is about a company named Procter & Gamble, best known as P&G. And I chose this topic because I didn't know the existence of this company until recently. So I thought it's the perfect unless topic for me. So I'm going to talk about its design. The logo is the initials P and person and a G in dark blue, and they have a good weight, and sometimes below them you have the complete name in the same typography and the same color but with a smaller size. And sometimes you can find the logo with the P and person and G in white, and around them with a circle blue with details in light blue. It depends on the presentation, but they have those two options. Okay, and this company is well known about the quality of its products. They are always taking care of how consumers think of them and how good they are. And also they take care of the laboratories and clinics they work with, because that's a topic a little bit delicate, because if a product goes out in a wrong way, it can damage a lot of people. And also they think the communication with the employees is too important, because if an employee has a good communication and a good environment, they work better, and since they make the products, well, they need to be okay. And also this company has a lot of brands, like products for the hair from Head and Shoulders or herbal essences, products for our mouth or teeth like Oral-B, and so I think it's important, because the products that I have used from this company are actually of good quality and work perfectly for what they are meant for, and they don't damage anyone, and they have a good smell. So I really recommend the products from this company. I actually used these products without knowing which company they were from, and now I know that they are brands that depend from this company. And well, that's all. Thanks for watching.